Welcome to another Byte of Tech Admin User Series with the Student Data Systems team. Have you ever needed to compare the grade a teacher posted to what the actual grade was in the gradebook for a particular marking period? Well, you're in luck. The Print Grades Verification Sheets feature is just what you need to provide you with this information. This video will demonstrate how to generate Print Grades Verification Sheets school-wide or for a particular teacher. Let's dive right in. From the Grades menu, click Print Grades Verification Sheets. Select your criteria based on your current need. To print grades verification sheets for a specific teacher or a group of teachers, select the teacher or teachers in the pull-down. To print for all teachers, leave the pull-down menu blank. Select the grade level for which to print verification sheets. To print for all grade levels at the school, leave the pull-down menu blank. Select the sort type to determine how verification sheets will be sorted. You have the option to sort by period number, course name, and course number. For this example, I'm sorting by period number. Select the terms from which to print verification sheets. The marking period selected at the top right of the screen will automatically be selected. To verify a set of marking periods, select all that apply. For example, if you needed to print verification sheets at the end of the school year for a full year course, you would select quarters 1, 2, 3, and 4, full year exam, and full year. If you would like to see comments posted for the final grades, select the checkbox next to comments. Select Stored DT Gradebook Grades to display the stored gradebook grade for the term along with the posted grade. To display grades for any students who may have transferred at the end of a quarter, semester, or end of a school year, select Include Inactive Students. You may also include specific course numbers by entering them into the course numbers to include. You may do the same for course numbers that you want to exclude. We recommend that you don't enter specific course numbers in these two boxes. When finished making your selections, click Create PDF. A PDF file will generate. Since I selected to sort by period number, a page will be generated listing the student's schedule with that teacher for each period. Any grade discrepancies between the posted grade and gradebook grade will be indicated in red. In my example, you can see there are 3 students with grade discrepancies. Click the Download button to create a copy on your computer, save, and then print. Note, clicking the Print button from this screen may cause the report to print incorrectly. When you are finished, click Return to Focus to go back to the Print Grades Verification Sheet screen. This concludes our Byte of Tech Admin User Series video on Print Grades Verification Sheets. Now you have the knowledge to print these verification sheets for a particular marking period throughout the school year. Please be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can be alerted when new content is released. Check out other content listed on the side. We appreciate all you do for Escambia County Public Schools. Thanks for watching.